Pass the ball. Listen now. See that? Alright, I go and never towards your number.
Alright, that'll be a thing. But you're not a striker, man. The striker, them walking, man.
Yeah, I'm tired of this.
My youth, right now, hungry, man. Where you do that?
Drive no down. I'm tired of
food there, my youth.
Can I get a hot tub?
Where that come from, my youth?
But yo, I want to make that thing that it really, yo.
Yo, me I tried.
Yeah,
But them say we sing the jingle first.
Yeah, go on and try.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with a spliff.
That's clad.
No, try it.
Me have tried, dog. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with a bag of Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, I want the blood. That thing. Oh, the thing rich on me hand. Yo, that thing are really working out.
I need a lighter too now. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with a lighter. Oh. Damn, I tell you, that shit is official, dog. No, I don't split.
You know what's that? I'll tell them, sir. Oh.
State Farm, you're the best.
State Farm agents are there when you need them.
Alright. Shit, no toilet paper. They could have put one toilet paper in our bathroom. Oh, State Farm. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with a toilet paper. Thanks, State Farm.
Farm agents are there when you need them.
Wish me about some porn, you know. Here, the State Farm. Or like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with some porn. Oh, boy. Thanks, State Farm. You're the best. Don't judge me.
State Farm agents are there when you need them.
King, if you come look for me, King. Must have condom somewhere here, dog. No condom, dog. Damn, what I gotta do? Okay. Oh, shit. State Farm. Oh, it look like a good neighbor. State Farm is here. With some condom. Bumper! Yes! The Lord is great! Look at that! NYC Lifestyle Trojan Magnum. Oh, Lord. Meaning, man, more ketchup. Yeah, forget that. NYC. Yes. Boy, Kim, I go get something now. Thank you, State Farm. Thank you.
State Farm agents are there when you need them.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is here with a toilet paper.